Welcome, folks, to the fourth episode of the news segment. Well, actually, I should call it the news series of this channel. Now, if you do remember, 2 weeks ago, the news made a video about the upcoming Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. Now, the truth is, I could have added some information about the upcoming Tab A7 Lite, but at the time, the A7 information was still kind of not too sure rumor. The S7 Lite rumor was actually more of a confirmed leak as opposed to the A7, which was still very, very limited. So I figured today I make one now that it's been a little bit more confirmed than it was 2 weeks ago about the Tab A7 or the upcoming Tab A7 Lite. Now that the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite is confirmed as something that's going to launch soon. Actually, it's going to launch around the same time as the Tab A7 Lite. We can find evidence of that in different places, including the Launch Studio Bluetooth database, where you find additional details about the tablet itself, including the design name, which is of course the Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, as I mentioned, the model number, the tablet description, and all of that good stuff. As stated by the name, this is the Lite or the lighter version of the current Tab A. So for those interested in the lighter version of the Galaxy Tab A, you should look forward to picking one up as soon as it launches, sometime in the summer, as I mentioned, with the Galaxy Tab S7 Lite also. It is going to be loaded with Bluetooth 5.0, as you saw there, and this light version is to boast a slim metallic design along with a display that is reportedly 8.7 inches. So you are set to be getting that same compact form factor that you will get, on smaller tablets like this one. This is just, for showing purposes, but it will be kind of the same small form factor. So 8.7 inches, a little bit like what you have with the current Galaxy Tab A, 8 inches, right? So it's going to be something that's very portable, just like it is the case with the current small version of the Tab A. And of course, because this is the lighter version, it's also going to be priced accordingly. So expect the price to be cheaper, to be lower, to be more affordable than the regular Galaxy Tab A. At least that's the hope. Now let's go ahead and talk specs, or possible specs, on this future tablet. And by the way, if this is your first time visiting the channel here, welcome. Of course, if you do like the content so far, I truly appreciate that. Now please do me a huge favor, hit both the like and the subscribe button there. It's a tremendous boost to this channel, and again, very much appreciate that. Right, so now as far as specs goes, we are looking at 3 gigs of RAM, and that is coupled with a MediaTek Helio P22T processor, and that is based off of the Geekbench leaks that you see here. And of course, you're going to get the same physical features, right? Starting up with the headphone jack here. That's always good to have. So you have that headphone jack. You're going to have a USB Type-C again, just to keep up with technology. And the thing itself is supposed to have a decent sized battery, 5100 milliamp power. So it's going to have decent amount of juice. It's also going to be fast charge capable, and it is likely to launch with Android 11, and of course, one of the newer versions of One UI. And again, additional specs information is found on that Geekbench leaks, right? So anywhere from the technical name of the tablet itself, the number of cores, the operating system, which is of course Android 11, as I just mentioned there, the actual performance, and so forth. There will definitely be improved performance when compared to the previous specs available on the current Galaxy Tab A. Now, running Android 11 also brings in the implication that this is going to melt into that ecosystem very well, right? So it should fit very nicely, a little bit like the ones that I've tested here with the S21 and the Galaxy Tab S7 or the S7 Plus. You can kind of see that continuity that Samsung has been working on so hard over the past years. You can see that it's really establishing itself as a solid and very robust ecosystem, and it will be nice to see how the Tab A7 Lite comes in and melt into that. Now, this is all I got for you guys today as news. Now, with all of this being said, what do you think of this news? Are you in the market for something like this? Are you currently looking for one, or are you going to be waiting for this, or are you going to go for like a Tab S7 Lite? I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Make sure to hit me up in the comment section with what you think of this. Again, I'm going to catch you in that comment section. I'm also going to catch you in the next video like I always do, and up until then, stay safe out there.